In just seconds, a single faulty key can turn a secure home into a vulnerable target for burglars and intruders. Imagine a key so poorly made that it can be easily picked or duplicated by anyone. But before we dive into the world of DIY repairs and home fixes, let's talk about the most crucial aspect. A secure home is a safe home. For centuries, locksmiths have been working to create the most secure locks possible. And yet, with the advancement of technology, even the most secure locks can be compromised. But there's a solution to this problem, and it's surprisingly simple. With the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can repair or replace your lock and keep your home safe. So, let's start by understanding the basics of lock mechanisms and how they work. A lock is essentially a complex system of gears and levers that must be aligned in a specific way to open the door. But what happens when one of these gears or levers breaks or becomes damaged?
That's where DIY repairs come in.
By replacing or fixing the damaged part. But before you start, it's essential to understand the different types of locks and their unique characteristics. For example, a pin tumbler lock is the most common type of lock used in homes and buildings. It works by using a series of pins of varying lengths that must be lifted to the correct height to open the lock. However, this type of lock can be vulnerable to picking, especially if the pins are not aligned correctly. So, what's the solution? One option is to upgrade to a more secure lock, such as a smart lock. Smart locks use advanced technology, such as biometric authentication and encryption, to keep your home secure. But if you're not ready to invest in a new lock, there are still ways to improve the security of your existing lock. For example, you can use a lock pick gun to fix any misaligned pins and make the lock more resistant to picking.
But be warned, this method requires some technical expertise and should only be attempted by experienced DIY enthusiasts.
This is a more involved process that requires some mechanical aptitude and specialized tools. However, the result is a lock that's more secure and less prone to damage. So, which option is right for you? If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs or don't have the necessary tools, it's always best to consult a professional locksmith. They have the expertise and experience to diagnose and fix any lock-related issues quickly and efficiently. But if you're looking for a more cost-effective solution, DIY repairs might be the way to go. Just remember to take your time and follow the correct procedures to avoid damaging the lock further. And if you're still unsure, consult online tutorials or seek advice from a friend who's familiar with DIY repairs. By following these simple steps, you can keep your home safe and secure without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your DIY repair journey today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure. And remember, a secure home is a safe home. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY repair tutorials and home fix tips. Like and comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Stay safe and happy DIYing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more DIY repair tutorials and home fix tips.